So now let us go and create a customer deposit. Customer deposits are nothing but, for example, you have given a sale order to your customer and you are receiving a prepayment from your customer confirming that sale. So that will be come under customer deposits. You can create the customer deposit in the sale order also, and that bottom you have an option called receive deposit. You can do that. If not, in the AR also you can come and click on the plus icon to create a new customer deposit. Now go and click on the customer whom do you want to create a customer deposit. Select the customer and select the account where this deposited amount should be sitting in which account. So once that is done, select location, from which location is this customer, and receipt date. If you are receiving it today, make it a today's date, or if it is yesterday, make it yesterday date. So you can also select the payment method, whether your customer is giving your deposit by cash, check, debit card, and all other options. So just enter the check number. So it is giving you an option because you have selected the payment method as check. So by default the checks will be sitting under checking BMO account. So for example, if I change this to the cash, so this give you a pop-up that you want to deposit in a default account. Okay, so whenever you are receiving a cash, that cash will be sitting under your undeposited funds. So you can set the default accounts for your multiple payment methods. So if it is a check, you can enter the check number and the check date, and let me receive amount of $150. For example, let me write this as prepayment for products. So once this is done, you can come and click on save and view receipt. So now you can view your customer receipt, and you can click on the print for printing your customer receipt and giving to your customer. So now you have taken the deposit amount for AMB customer, but it should also affect your sale order. For example, it will not show you the applied amount. Okay, just let me show you. This is the sale order of the AMB customer, where it is the total and the balance due is showing same. Why? Because in the receipts we did not add for which we are taking this deposit. So now you can come and click on select, so that customer deposit will be adding to you that sale order. If you come here and refresh the page, so now it is showing the unapplied cash is $150 and balance is $7,410 because now it is applied for the sale order. And now if you want to check all the customer deposits that you have received till now, You can just click on the customer deposits. You can sort them by customer name, location and date, and check reference number and all. You can also export them to your Excel, all your customer deposits. Now let us go to the customer receipts. Once the amount is received for you from the deposit to your original account, in that case it will show you all the customer receipts. When your customer asks you to refund the amount back, in that case you can just come and click on the plus icon, so we can create a new customer refund. But before creating this, we need to go back and create a credit memo for your customer. Select the customer name, select the invoice number, let me take the job, and the date, search, because there is no invoice for this customer. Let me take some other, let me take invoice. A and E. So now click on search. So you can view how many invoices are there for this customer. So come and select the invoice. Once you select the invoice, you can view how many products that have been selected on that invoice. So from this invoice, how many slabs that you want to return. So now let me select this and click on create return. Once you create a return order, now let us go and click on accounting receivables, click on customer refund, pay to the order of to the customer. You should select the customer name, and therefore it shows the return order. The product which we have selected in the return order will be shown here, and once you select the mandatory fields, you can just come and select which do you want to give return. So the amount will be auto apply here. So once you click on save and view payment, sorry, this is an F demo location. So if you click and if you click on save and view payments, now the payment has been done to your customer. And you can also check how many customer refunds you have did till now. You can check all of them here, and if you want to take a Excel or if you want to take a print, you can just come and click on the Excel to export, and for the print icon to print. Now let us know about the bank deposits. The bank deposits are nothing but when you have received your deposit from your customer and it is deposited into your undeposited funds. For example, just now we have created a customer deposit. Now let me go and select the same customer deposit. The bank deposit number and date of deposit, location, and currently it is in which account, and what is the balance of that account, and in which account do you want this amount to be sitting in. So let me select a bank account, and 150. You can sort them accordingly. Refresh. We have created this just now, so go and click on that deposit and come and click on the customer deposit. So it is showing that the check is not matching. Okay, deposit date was yesterday, so and now let us select the other amount. So now this deposit is affecting your savings account. Before you are creating a bank deposit, the amount is sitting in your undeposited funds. And bank reconciliations is nothing but, for example, let me select the account. End date was 31st, balance. There's okay, let me change the bank account. Here you can upload all your bank statements. So you can check how many is been matching with your bank statement and the transactions which you have recorded in the system. You can check all and you can check the payments, the deposits, cleared payments and uncleared payments. So everything will be there in the bank deposits and you can map them with your bank statements.